Hello everyone, this is Dr. MiteshGala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion.
Hi, we're getting into equations of line, exercise 14E part 2. Part 1 we did in the last video, part 2 is the last part which finishes the chapter. By now I am sure you become pros with all your formulae, 2-point form, point slope form, standard form, then your inclination method, m1 into m2 is -1, everything is known to you. So let's see how good are you today and do I do any mistakes in this video. Stop praying and start focusing. So sum number 30, it says that this line bisects angle O. So that means if the entire angle is 90, each will be 45. I have given you the clue. Equation of L1 is y is equal to 4. Your first target is to find the slope of L2. So I have already given you the inclination, go about it. So for the first part, inclination is equal to half of 90. So that should be 45, and therefore you can say slope is equal to tan 45. How much is tan 45? 1. So we managed to get the value of the slope for L2. Now the second part is very important. You have to think. They say coordinates of P. How are you going to get the coordinates of P and then the equation of L2? So first get the coordinates of P. I would prefer first getting equation and then going on to the coordinates. Anyone how to get the equation of L2? Think. Now this is passing through origin. So I have given you the second clue. I am doing the third part first. Okay. So L2 passes through origin. Therefore y intercept is 0. And slope is 1. I have given you the two parts. So therefore y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to m is 1 and c is 0. So x is equal to y becomes the equation. So we managed to get the equation. And now how to get the coordinates of P. Now x is equal to y for this line. So you can say since, now we're getting the second part. X is equal to y. How much is y we don't know yet. Now see, P lies on L1, which is y is equal to 4. That means this is 4. So point P obviously will be hitting at 4 only. So if x is y is 4, x also will be 4. So P is going to be 4 by 4. I'll give you a logical method rather than this thinking method. X minus y 0. This is the equation of L2. And y is equal to 4 is the equation of L1. Apply simultaneous, you will get P straight away instead of using any logic. So I get x is equal to 4 and x is equal to y. So 4. So therefore point P now I can say is 4 comma 4. Simple. So instead of using your all the logic which I told you in the start, just use your simultaneous equations and you will be sorted. Yeah, a good question. That's why I picked this up. 31. Again a very simple question. I am sure most of you all will manage with all the practice that we've done till now. First equation of AB and A and B both given. So get the slope and then point slope form. Come on everyone, racing with me. Ready? Don't pause your video. Let's race together. So first I am trying to get the slope. So slope is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3. So 1 by minus 8, 5 plus 3, 8 and 1 by minus 8. Therefore equation of AB, y minus y1, mx minus x1. So y1 I am taking 3, slope is 1 by negative 8, x1 also is 3. So minus 8y plus 24, x minus 3. So x plus 8y is equal to 27. How many finished with me and how many got it the same? If we got it same, we are correct. If we did not get it same, that means I must have done it wrong. It's correct. Let's go with the second one, equation of CD. Chalo, how many of you are again racing with me? But CD this time the problem is you have nothing been given but perpendicular. So I'll have to use the slope of this, get the slope of CD. Then I'll have to get the coordinates of D and then point slope form. So a lot of work, okay? So first, I am getting the slope of this one. So 8y minus x plus 27 minus 1 by 8x 27 by 8. So m1 is minus 1 by 8. Since AB perpendicular to CD, therefore we can say m1 m2 negative 1. So minus 1 by 8 into m2. Oh, I had already got the slope initially. I used it second time and I wasted my time this part. I'm so sorry. Anyways, it's got verified. So I get, sorry, this is minus 1. So m2 becomes 8. So therefore slope of CD is equal to minus 8. Point D. Can you tell me what will be the coordinates? Since this distance is 3, this has to be 3 and lying on y-axis, so 0. So we got point also. So now equation of CD, y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1 is 0, slope is minus 8, x minus 3. So y is equal to minus 8x plus 24. So 8x plus y 24. I hope I am correct. Let's see, I am intended today not to do any mistakes. Let's see if I am able to do what I say. This is correct. 31, no problem. Let's go to the next one. 33. Come on everyone, hit it. Pause your video, read on your own and see what can be done. So 33 says, find the equation of line PQ first. P and Q, AB lies on X and Y and M is the midpoint. All these things are given. So first for the equation of PQ, let's get the slope. So slope will be 4 minus 2 upon minus 1 plus 5. So 4 minus 2, 2 and this is going to be 4. So half. And therefore equation of line y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y1 I'm taking it as 4, slope 1 by 2 and x1 I'm taking it as 1, so plus 1. So 2y minus 8 x plus 1. So x minus 2y minus 9. I hope I'm correct. Let's check. 33 part 1. Please tell us. It's not correct. Did I see something else? X plus y is equal to 3 is what I saw. So I messed up. So let's check where did we mess up. 4 minus 2, have I copied the question correct? 33 this is. Minus 1 by 4 and 5 by minus 2. See here I messed up. I have copied it wrong. It is 5 by minus 2. Not my mistake. I have just copied it wrong. So please pardon me on that. 4 minus 2. So it is going to be 4 plus 2 rather. And minus 1 minus 5. Let's cancel this. Minus 1 minus 5. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And this is going to be minus 6. So minus 1. So this 2 goes over here. Let's cancel these two lines. So I will get y minus 4 minus x minus 1. So x plus y is equal to 3. Now are we correct? Please tell us. If I am wrong now, then it's my mistake. So 33 this is. And the answer is correct. X plus y is 3. That's correct. Now coordinates of A and B. A lies on x axis. So let's call A as x comma 0 and B will be 0 comma y. Substitute both of this in this and you will be able to get A. So for A, x plus 0 is 3. So x is 3. So therefore I can say point A is 3 comma 0. Yeah. So we got the first part. Now for B, again x plus y is 3. This time substitute x as 0. So y becomes 3. So therefore I can say point B 0 comma 3. So we got both the points A and B. And now midpoint M coordinate. So that's simple. So for M, x is equal to 3 plus 0 by 2. So that will be 1.5. Y is equal to 0 plus 3 by 2, 1.5. Why do I get a feeling we've done this type of sum in the previous video? Anyways, M is 1.5, 1.5. You remember there was 3 by 2, 3 by 2 the answer. So this is correct. Nothing to worry. Great job. 34. Chalo. Let's take a challenge. Both of us will not check with each other. Okay. And then we will check right at the end if all answers are correct. And who goes wrong, whether me or you. Let's try it. So first equation of AB. AB. So let's get the slope. So getting the slope first, 8 minus 6 minus 0. So 2 by minus 6, I get 1 by 3 negative. I hope I am correct. 8 minus 6 minus 0. So 2 by minus 6 correct. So therefore equation of AB. So y minus y1 I am taking it as 6 minus 1/3 x minus x1 0. So 3y minus 18 minus x. So x plus 3y 18. That's what is my equation of line AB. So let me check if we are on the right track. 34 it is correct. Equation of CD, again perpendicular and C is given. So let's get the slope of this, which is already there. I am not going to find it again, wasting my time. Since AB perpendicular to CD, M1 into M2 minus 1, this is minus 1/3 into M2 minus 1. So M2 becomes 3, and therefore equation of CD, CD, so that will be y minus y1, which is 10, slope is 3, and x minus x1 is 2. So y minus 10, 3x minus 6. So 3x minus y minus 4. I hope I am correct. 3x minus y minus 4. 3x minus y minus 4. Perfect. Last one, coordinates of E and D. So E is lying on x axis and on AB. So E will be called as x comma 0 on line AB. So let's pick up the equation of AB, that is x plus 3y equals to 18. So x plus 3 into 0 is 18. So x is 18. So therefore point E will become 18 comma 0. Likewise, we'll have to use the same logic in order to find the coordinates of D. D also will be x comma 0 lying on CD. So therefore, what is the equation of CD? 3x minus y minus 4, x 0. So 3x minus 0 minus 4. So x will be minus 4 by 3. So therefore, I can say point D, I am not sure if this is correct, minus 4 by 3 comma 0. I hope I get the last part correct. The rest I managed. Let me see the last part now. 34th. It is correct. It was weird and I was a little worried also, but it is correct. Let's go to the next one. 38th. 38th has got two methods. Let's see which one do you pick. At least one, at least you should get. Okay. ABCD is a parallelogram. You got to find the coordinates of D. How? Pause. Think. If you get a solution, come back. Alright, that you're back. There are two methods. Method 1. Say that AB slope equals to DC. Take this as x and y and get the slope in terms of, get an equation in terms of x and y. Then say BC slope is equal to slope of AD. Again take this xy and get one more equation and then apply simultaneous. Baapre, such a lengthy method. Second, easier method from the previous chapter. Section formula, you remember? I'm calling this as M. So diagonals bisect each other. So if diagonals bisect each other, this is equal, this is equal. Can you get the coordinates of M with AC as M as the midpoint? Once you get M as the midpoint, then take M as the midpoint of BD, where B and M is known, get D. That is easier, faster, simpler. Let's try it. So first, for M, you should first try diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Should I write? Yeah, I'm writing it here. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at M. So we gave the coordinate, the point M. So now for M will be these two, we are taking A and C. So 3 plus 3 by 2, 6 by 2 will be 3. Y will be 6 plus 2, 8 by 2, so 4. So therefore I can say that point M is 3 comma 4. So we got this. Now once we got this 3 comma 4, use for BD. So for BD we are trying to get D. So again x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. X is 3 here in the middle, 3 comma 4. So x is 3, x1 is 5, x2 unknown by 2, so 6 minus 5, so x2 will be minus 1. Yeah, likewise let's get the second one, y1 plus y2 by 2, so y is 4, y1 is 10 plus y2 by 2, so 4 2s are 8 minus 2. Yeah, so therefore I can say point D is minus 1 minus 2. Can I just check and confirm so that we don't go wrong later? This is sum number 38 and it is correct, not correct, plus 1 they said. 6, yeah, this is plus 1, my bad, sorry, please don't tell anybody. Okay, stop laughing, come back. Length of BD. Now that you got D as 1 comma minus 2, let's get the length of BD. So distance formula, so BD, y2 minus y1, B and D, y2 minus x2 minus x1, so 5 minus 1 the whole square and 10 plus 2 the whole square under the root. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 square 16, 10 plus 2 12, 144 under the root, so root 160. If you take the factors, I don't know what you will get, so 80, 40, 20, 10, so 4 root 10. Yeah, it's going to be 4 root 10. That's what your answer should be for BD. I'm just checking once again because I don't want to go wrong. It's correct. And last one, equation of AB. So you'll have to first find their slope and then get the equation. So slope AB is equal to y2 minus y1, so 10 minus 6, 5 minus 3, so that will be 4 by 2, 2, and therefore equation of AB, y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y1 AB, A and B, so I am taking this, y1 as 6, slope 2, x minus x1 as 3, so I'll get y minus 6, 2x minus 6, minus 6 cancels, so 2x minus y equals to 0, and this is correct. This was 2015 guys. If you got this, that means you are prepared for the boards. Yeah, let's take the next one, 39, also in 2015. So 2 questions in 2015. You can imagine the importance of this chapter. Come on, hit it. First get me the coordinates of A. Everyone should get the first one at least, 4 comma 0. So we got the coordinates of A, no big deal in that, 1 mark in our pocket. Length of AB and AC. So AB, y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. So 4 plus 2 square and 0 minus 3 square under the root. So 4 plus 2 6, 36 and minus 3, so 9. So that should be root 45. 45 is 3 root 5 units. Yeah, let's get AC now. So AC, again the same logic, 4 plus 2 the whole square and 0 plus 4 the whole square. Did I do it correct? Let me check. This plus this and this plus this, correct. So 4 plus 2 6, 36 and 16. So that should be root 30, 40, 52. 52 will be 2, 2. So 2 root 13 units. I hope these 2 answers are correct. AB and AC. I'm just checking. 39, 3 root 5, 2 root 13. 3 root 5, 2 root 13. Perfect. Let's go with the next one. They want in what ratio is Q dividing. So Q lies on y axis. So 0 comma y. So third part, we are applying section formula. Remember, for x we will apply. So x is equal to mx2 nx1 m plus n. So x is 0, m we don't know. Now see AQ ratio QC. So this will be x1 y1 x2 y2. Don't start from here, otherwise you will mess up. Okay. So this is m into this. This is x2, that is minus 2 plus n and 4 upon m plus n. So 0, 2m coming on this side equals to 4n. So m upon n, 4 upon 2. So m ratio n should be 2 ratio 1. So we managed to get the ratio in which Q is dividing as 2 ratio 1, which is correct. And now finally equation of AC. So you'll have to first find the slope and then the equation. So let's find. So slope for AC. AC. So y2 minus y1, so 0 plus 4 and 4 plus 2. So that is 4 by 6, 2 by 3. So did you get this 2 by 3? Yeah, that's your slope. And now equation of AC. Y minus y1, mx minus x1. So I am taking x1, y1 as this. So 0, 2 by 3, x minus 4. So that will be 3y, 2x minus 8. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. And it is correct. I am sure about it. Yeah, it's correct. How many of you all managed to get this? Brilliant. That means you are already prepared for the board. So that is 2015 sum we just did. Let's go to the next one, sum number 40. 40 is simple. Again a board question, 2016. PQ is a line whose slope is half. Find K. So let's apply the slope formula. So slope y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So slope is half. Y2. You can take anything as x1, y1, doesn't matter. So 3 minus k upon 3 minus k. So 1 minus 3k minus 6. This minus this minus this. Perfect. So this goes on the other side. So 1 into whatever. So minus 3k. And this will be minus 5. And 3 into 2s are 6 into 2k. So I'm pushing this on the other side. So plus k I will get minus 11. So we get the value of k as minus 11. I hope I'm right at the last. It's correct. Finally, midpoint of PQ. Simple now that you got k. First let's write P, which is 6 and k. So 6 and minus 11. And Q, 1 minus 3k. So 1 minus 3k. K is minus 11 into 3. So this will be what? So minus plus 33 plus 1 34. So Q will be 34 comma 3. Are you getting it? Why this becomes 34? Yeah, because this is plus 33 plus 1. So now midpoint of PQ. So apply your formula. X will be 6 plus 34 by 2. So 20. And Y will be minus 11 plus 3 by 2. So minus 4. And therefore midpoint will be what? 20 comma minus 4. Don't tell me it's wrong. I know you already go ahead, check, and then you come and wait and laugh at me. No, I will not give you a chance. Stop laughing. 2016, last sum of the whole chapter. Come on, everyone should give me your best shot on this one. Coordinates of A and B is what you need to find. The only trick which they've played. Solve. If you get it wrong, come back, then I'll tell you why. Pause your video. Alright, the only trick which they've paid that you've come back without copying, okay, and if you got it wrong, is they said AB is divided by P in the ratio 1:2. Most of the people must have taken this as 1 and this as 2, and then they cross, which is wrong. Basically AB, see, AB is divided in 1:2, so this should be 1, this should be 2. That's where you must have gone wrong, in case if you gone wrong. And if so, please write in the comment section so I come to know that my judgment is correct. So AP is 1, stop laughing, come back, and BP is 2, 1:2. A lies on x axis, so therefore I will call it as x comma 0. B will be called as 0 comma y. Now that you know the ratio, can you apply the section formula? Get A and B first, and then we'll talk about the second part. So first one, x is equal to mx2 nx1 upon m plus n. So x is 4, m is 1, x2 is 0, then 2, and x1 is x, upon m plus n is 1 plus 2. So 3 4s are 12, 2x, so x becomes 6. So x is known, therefore point A is known. So point A will be called as 6 comma 0. Let's apply for y. M y2, n y1, m plus n. So y is minus 1, m is 1, y2 is y, 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. So 3 into this will be minus 3, y. So you got y straight away as minus 3 because 2 into 0 is 0. So therefore I can find out point B now. which we said 0y, so it becomes 0 minus 3. So we got A and B both. Let me just check. 41, it's perfect. Now the equation of line through P perpendicular to AB. So you'll have to first find the slope of AB and then perpendicular slope and then point slope form. So a lot of work yet to be done. So slope of AB will be what? y2 minus y1, so 0 plus 3 upon 6 minus 0. So that will be 3 by 6, half. This is m1. So m1 into m2 negative 1. So half into m2 negative 1. So therefore m2 will be minus 2. So you managed to get the slope of the perpendicular line, and therefore equation of line will be what? So let's find the equation. Y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y1, now passing through P, so y1 will be plus 1, minus 2 we got the slope, and x minus 4. Yeah, so y plus 1 minus 2x plus 8. So 2x plus y, 1 goes on the other side, should be 7. Final answer, I hope it's correct, and it is. How many of you all enjoyed this topic with me? Great, that means you got a good hand on it and you got good level of intelligence. I'm joking. Those who didn't get it, you should please try it again and again. You will definitely get it. It's not that difficult. Don't worry. Homework, just 3 sums, 32, 36 and 37. Yeah. Please see to it you do your homework well. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care and pray for everyone.
Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience with the Rough Book, our learning companion.